Best 10 products for weight loss. Best 10 products for weight loss. 1. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. What is in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Among the main ingredients are carrot, cherry, green mango, papaya, apple, mulberry fruit, cranberry, acai, beetroot, and hundreds of other fruit extracts. To begin, you should be aware that 1 scoop of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic contains 100% of your daily value, DV, daily value. How long does it take for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic to work? Although everyone's response is different, users can expect to take Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for around 3 months to see results. For those who need to lose more weight, taking the formula for 6 months may have the best chance of success. 2. BioFit. What is BioFit Probiotic Weight Loss Supplement? BioFit, a probiotic supplement that was just released a few months earlier, has already outsold the top-selling dietary supplements for 2021. When BioFit tablets are taken, the equilibrium between dangerous and beneficial bacteria is restored. How is BioFit weight loss supplement different than its competitors? BioFit is a probiotic supplement that is unlike any other on the market. This is the only recipe that includes all 7 scientifically tested probiotic strains that have been shown to help people lose weight. 3. CarboFix. What is CarboFix? CarboFix is a modern diet pill that promotes weight loss by activating AMPK pathways. You will purportedly reduce appetite, improve weight loss, support blood sugar, and even live longer by taking CarboFix on a regular basis, among other things. Does CarboFix really work? CarboFix promises to be a trustworthy weight loss formula, providing an easy and efficient weight loss solution for those looking to get in shape. To maintain a smooth and balanced weight loss journey, the supplement uses high-quality, all-natural ingredients. 4. Resurge. What are Resurge pills used for? What are Resurge pills and how do they work? The Resurge supplement is designed to help people lose weight quickly by providing fat-burning properties. This supplement accomplishes this by encouraging good sleep, which includes all of the sleep stages, including the REM period. Does Resurge work for weight loss? Since it boosts the body's metabolism, the Resurge dietary supplement also helps you lose fat more quickly. This will lead to the person gaining weight quickly and effortlessly, regardless of whether or not they change their diet. 5. Lean Belly 3X. Lean Belly 3X by Sean and Karen Hadsell's Beyond 40 is formulated with 2 natural ingredients known to be effective weight loss catalysts, but is it a scam with negative side effects or does it work to provide real fat-burning benefits? Supplementation is not a cure-all, as weight loss experts will always remind you. There is no supplement that will make you lose weight. Finally, the amount of weight you lose would be directly proportional to your calorie deficit. To lose 1 pound of weight, you would burn 3,500 calories of fat every week. Similarly, a weekly calorie gain of 7,000 calories would result in a net weight loss of 7,000 pounds. How does Lean Belly 3X work? Weight reduction, according to Lean Belly 3X, is unrelated to diet or exercise. Rather, the firm claims that weight loss is linked to aging metabolism. Your metabolism slows when you grow older, making it possible to add weight. That's why, even though we eat well and exercise enough, more of us add weight as we grow older. 6. ProMind Complex. What is ProMind Complex? ProMind Complex is a daily brain well-being recipe that improves attention, concentration, and memory. The ingredients in this solution are all natural, and each serving only needs to be taken once a day to achieve the desired effects. Is ProMind Complex safe? Given its normal composition, ProMind Complex is said to be suitable for all consumers. To prevent any side effects, it is not advised if the person is already taking any prescribed medication or supplement. 7. ProstaStream. Is ProstaStream legitimate? ProstaStream is a pure, herbal supplement that will help to alleviate the symptoms of BPH. The guarantee of a refund speaks volumes about the supplement's authenticity, making it a more secure investment overall. It's worth noting, though, that each formula has a different effect on different people. Is ProstaStream a con? Yes, after a thorough examination and investigation of ProstaStream, we can confidently state that it is a legitimate supplement. Scammers may be operating certain ProstaStream scams. This con artists are actually marketing counterfeit supplements that look identical to the real thing. 8. Biotox Gold. What is Biotox Gold? Biotox Gold is a fat-burning supplement that targets stubborn fats in the body. It also successfully destroys contaminants that the body accumulates on a regular basis and improves metabolism and stamina. How do you take Biotox Nutrition? This Biotox Nutrition supplement is simple to incorporate into your daily routine. It comes in a liquid form. This substance can be consumed 3 times a day. This substance can be consumed in 10 drops at a time. 9. Metikarie. How long does it take Metikarie to work? Although Metikarie appears to be a fully legal substitute, the speed at which it produces results is dependent on a variety of factors. While many people notice results within the first 2 weeks, it may take up to 6 weeks to see actual results. Does It Works really help you lose weight? Although some of the ingredients in the It Works cleanse have been linked to weight loss, there is no proof that the cleanse can help you lose weight. Green tea extract, for example, has been shown in experiments to aid weight loss. 10. Sanus Complete. Does Sanus Complete really work? Is Sanus Full a genuine solution? Sanus Complete is an all-natural formula that will undoubtedly deliver significant ear protection and individual health benefits. There's no way the substance will work on anybody and there's no justification behind it. How long does it take for Sanus Complete to work? What is the purpose of Sanus Complete? This Sanus Complete supplement has a lot of potential. For one thing, it eliminates tinnitus in 2 or 3 weeks. It's suggested that you take 2 capsules a day to get the most out of it.